Welcome to Life Redesign Studio. Get the key ideas from how to become a straight A student. The unconventional strategies real college students use to score high while studying less by Call Newport. Synopsis: How to become a straight A student offers you successful strategies used by actual straight A students to help you score better grades while studying less. From time management to concrete advice on developing a thesis, this book gives you all the tools you need to earn the perfect 4.0 without burning out. Who is it for? Students who are sick of pulling all-nighters, anyone who wants to make the most out of their time, anyone who would benefit from less procrastination. About the author, Cal Newport is a graduate of Dartmouth College with a PhD from MIT. He is currently an assistant professor of computer science at Georgetown University. What's in it for me? Learn how to make the most out of your education. For some people, college is the best time of their life, a time of exploration, rewarding academic inquiry, and unadulterated partying. For others, however, college life is punctuated by periods of extreme stress and anxiety from constantly worrying about their GPA. This, of course, makes perfect sense. Just think about the pressure they are under. The grades you get on tests and papers can shape your entire future, for better or for worse. Luckily, it doesn't all have to be doom and gloom if you have a hard time studying. Whether it's writing a research paper or cramming for your exams, this summary will give you all the tools you need to study efficiently. These techniques aren't made up by just anybody. They come straight from the horse's mouth, i.e., from actual straight A students who majored in various academic disciplines across the United States. It all boils down to the fact that studying longer is not necessarily studying better. Studying better means taking the right kinds of notes, fighting procrastination, developing time management skills, and various other tricks that will help you study quickly and efficiently, and free up your weekends to do the things you really want to do. In this summary, you'll learn why sometimes less is more when it comes to studying, why you need to invest in some academic disaster insurance, and why finding a quiet coffee shop can improve your grades. To get the whole book summary, WhatsApp us on 80804-0612 or click on the link given in description box.